What's up YouTube? My name is Chad. This is the Wisco Boater channel. As you can see, it is a bright sunny day here in Sturgeon Bay. It's going to be a gorgeous day. It is Wednesday, October 11th, and I get my last pump out today. Let me get out of the sun here. I'll get my last pump out done today, and we'll be moving the boat over to my final 3 weeks of the season slip. Before that, I do need to add just a little bit of pressure to my steering system. Haven't used the boat in, I don't think I've been out on the boat in two and a half months. Haven't even started it. So I'm going to put a little bit of air in the reservoir for the steering system. It's still fine. You're supposed to operate it somewhere around 30 to 35 psi. It's around 27 right now, and it'll operate down to 25. But gonna pump a little bit of air in the system just to make sure the pressure is right. And this afternoon after lunch, Michelle is gonna come over and first mate for me. So we'll get the boat moved from my current slip over to a slip close to the clubhouse. No wind to speak of today, sunny skies, and that's all gonna change here in a couple of days. We got a really big windstorm headed this way. So Friday, Saturday, this weekend, no bueno. So I'm gonna get some things prepped this morning, and then after lunch, when Michelle gets here, we'll move the boat. But I will show you how to use a hand pump to pressurize the system. You don't have to have a compressor, which is what I used when I changed the Hynotic hydraulic hoses. It's much easier with a compressor when you have to fill it, but when you're just adding a few PSI, a hand pump works just fine. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, down in the engine room here. Sorry about the noise from the heater, but it is chilly outside, so it's running. Air fluid's still good, and our pressure is right about 25 or so PSI. I'm gonna get it back up to 30. And to do this, I'm just gonna use a bike pump attached to this Schrader valve right here, and just add 4 or 5 PSI to the system. Oh, fuck. Well. Okay, you can see I lost a bunch of air there putting that valve on, but it pumps up pretty easily. Just gonna pull it off of there. I gotta make sure and get it quickly. I'm gonna go a little over 30. I'm going to lose some when I pull it off. Okay. Okay, steering is now back up to 30 PSI. Fluid level still right. It's somewhere between the top of this window and the bottom of that one, so we're good there. So steering is reset. And ready to move the boat when Michelle gets here. All right, we're ready to fire the engines. Center point, thirsty whale.
This is center point. We are going to be on our way down there in just a minute.
Perfect. Thanks, Evan.
good. You can hand it over or walk it back. Actually, yeah, walk it back and then you throw it up to them afterwards. Bow's good. We're good to go. All right, just a little push off. Okay, pressures are in the green, voltage is looking good. And all we're doing here is hopping over a fairway, going into slip B1.
grilled yours.
That was the easiest job I've had all week. You up for trivia tomorrow?
Yeah, I probably would be.
See how the dogs are getting along if they are. Then we'll go.
Okay, everything was in the green that whole little short trip, so engine's off. So this is the view for the next 24 days or so. 3.5 weeks, just in front of the clubhouse here. That's looking east. Still a lot of boats on the water on A and B dock. So I was just over on the other side of that sailboat. And now I am 20 seconds, and now I have a 20-second walk to the clubhouse, which is right there on the other side of the Viking sitting here. Right now I'm gonna walk back over to the other slip and get stuff out of my dock box and bring that over here. Okay, here's the now empty slip. This will be my slip for 2024 as well. So just because I'm moving up to the clubhouse for the end of the season here does not mean I'm giving up this this slip. So we'll look forward to being back here next year. Just got to get this dock box cleaned out. Okay, boat is in the new temporary slip for the end of the season. Like I said, it's a beautiful day here. We got a beautiful boat right there. I've shown this in a video before, but that's a Katie Krogan. Love that boat. Got all my cords and water and everything hooked up. So we're set for the next few weeks. So you might be asking why I moved to a slip further in. I think I probably explained it in a video before, but just in case I didn't, the water gets shut off here on Monday, October 16th, which is just a few days away. It's Wednesday the 11th. And there is a good chance that I will be able to run a long hose to one of the condos here that'll allow me to have water all the way through the end of the season. And the last pump out, as mentioned in this video, was done this morning, so I can no longer use the heads on the boat. So I wanted to be closer to the clubhouse to use the facilities. So I've gone from about a 2.5 minute walk down to 20 seconds. So it'll be nice to have the convenience of being very close to the clubhouse. And my key card did get extended through the first weekend of November, which will be the 4th and the 5th. That will be the weekend that I'm moving into my new apartment, and the boat will come out of the water on Monday, November 6th. So the other reason that I wanted to get moved today is because starting tomorrow, we've got a pretty good blow coming in. It's going to get really, really windy. Chance of rain tomorrow, and then Friday, Saturday, supposed to get very, very windy. So I may do a video of that to show what the conditions are like, but just being a little bit farther in to the marina here, which again, you know, I'm right next to the clubhouse at the farthest in slip that you can get here. So I think it'll be a good spot for windy days. Be a little bit better protected from east winds, which is behind me, north winds with the clubhouse and boats there, and then to the west, the condos, I think they're Airbnb condos that are there. So yeah, so easy day of moving the boat. Everything went well. No issues with anything after not running it for don't they know I'm trying to shoot a video here? So no issues with not having run the boat for the last 2 months. It might even be 10 weeks since the last time I even started the thing on the dock. So yeah, everything went well. So I'll enjoy this this Rockstar parking spot here for the next 3 weeks until the boat comes out of the water, and hopefully get a couple more videos in before the end of the season. But I hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching the Wisco Boater channel. We'll see you next time. Happy boating, everybody.